Hi, in this video we will learn how to build these visualizations using an Excel spreadsheet. These are all the steps involved. You can get the Excel spreadsheet by going to Examples and Sales KPI for Excel spreadsheets and scrolling a little bit until you find this link and right click it and select Save Link As. You can try it yourself by going to app.instadeq.com and clicking Try It Now. We're going to start with the spreadsheet file card. We can either drop the spreadsheet there or click and select it from the file picker. Since it's a spreadsheet, we have numbered columns and rows, so I'm going to select Promote Row to Headers and load it again. Now we have better column names. We want to calculate the sum of sales per line, so I'm going to use the Group By card. I'm going to drag the total column to the select value, and I'm going to change the operation to sum. These are the sales for all lines in all years. So I'm going to group by line by dragging the line column to the group by key. With this information we can already make a chart. I'm going to create a chart type and I'm going to drag the total sum to chart value and the line to the by key. With this information, Instadeq will propose a bar chart as a chart, which is okay, but I want to make some changes, so I'm going to click on the chart settings. I'm going to hide the legends, I'm going to change the orientation, and I'm going to sort by total sum, so we get from bigger to smaller. We can either change the color, instead of being one color per line, I can select a fixed color for all of them, or I can select the formula color for value, which for a given numerical value it will give a color in a range. The value we are going to use total sum. The range is from yellow to blue, but for now the range is fixed to 0 to 100 and we want to make it dynamic. So I'm going to go back to the group by and drag the total sum to summarize column, and I'm going to do it twice, so it's going to calculate the minimum and the maximum. I'm going to drag these summarized column values into the chart because we want to use those values, and I'm going to drop the minimum on the from and the maximum on the to. This will always fit this data we have, and we can see that the colors are according to the size. We already have the first chart. The second is really similar. The only difference is that we want to make the same calculation but also group by year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this card and drag the year column from the source to the group by. This is all we need to do. So now I can create a new chart and I can drag the total sum to the value and the line and year to the group by. With this different configuration, Instadeq has more charts available. I'm going to select stock chart, go to settings, I'm going to hide the legends, and I'm going to select the line chart type and draw area. Now we have our charts. What I can do is put them in a dashboard by creating a layout card and dragging our chart into the grid and resizing it, and also dragging our other chart into the grid. We can change the title because it's visible on the dashboard, so let's call this sales by line. For the second, I can either rename it, or I can say that for this item I don't want to show the title. And if we want to see how it will look like when it's shared, I click on more options and set it to read only. Now we have our visualizations on a layout, and whenever we have new data we only have to click here and drag the new values, and all the calculations will be done again and the visualizations will update with the new values. So we don't have to repeat ourselves whenever we have new data. We just drop the data and our visualizations update instantly. This was how to create visualizations and a dashboard using Excel spreadsheet with sales data with Instadeq. If you have any questions, just let us know. Bye.